This is the sixth and last part of the Abisko series. In this video we explore Mount Njullá next to Abisko tourist station, the most visited mountain in Abisko, where many botanical courses and other kinds of excursions are held every year. It's a really nice day and we are headed up to Mount Njullá to look for Boloria improba, a really rare, exclusively alpine butterfly, which is only spotted a couple times a year. So we are headed up here. We are taking the ski lift. Here's the famous Laponic Gate. The gate is a U-shaped valley from the Ice Age. All the birches here are dead, and that could be because of the Epiroa autumnata moth, which sometimes has mass outbreaks and the larvae eat all the leaves until the birches die. Now we're here on Njullá. We reached the summit. The Laponic Gate. I failed to film this, but we found Pyrgus centauriae, northern grizzled skipper, a beautiful butterfly with a northern global distribution. Unfortunately, we couldn't find Boloria improba and we had to get back to the ski lift before it closed, but we ended up making a second trip to the Myers in Stordalen Nature Reserve. Henrik is going to talk quickly about some moss.
These almost hills here, they're composed of partly of ice. They are this is a Palsamire. But climate change happening now, the permafrost beneath disappears during the summer. So it's the palsa, they crack down in the edge of these palsa, the small hills, and a lot of the ice melts and makes these rather new open water areas, small ponds close to the palsa mine. And in this pond, one Sphagnum species has grown all over the place, and it is Sphagnum riparium, the species that grows almost inundated in the pond. So you cannot really walk out in this. It's a nature reserve, but we will put this one back. This is a typical Sphagnum species with a head on top. The head is just composed of many new branches that are beginning to be produced, and soon this shoot will be elongated a few centimeters maybe during this season, and Down here you can see that the branches, they come out in bunches. Some branches stick out and some hang just closely attached to the stem. On several of these places you have bunches of branches. And this is a green species. It's brown because of the brown humus rich water here, but it has no real brown colors of its own. Some other species in this type of habitat is Sphagnum lindberghi, but that one is nicely chestnut brown all over the place. And this Sphagnum riparium is very stiff. The shoots are very stiff, like this. Some other floating Sphagnum are really not stiff. The opposite.
So the permafrost is falling away inside the Palsa mire hills here and creates these ponds full of Sphagnum.
Sphagnum riparium.
That's it for the Abisko series. I hope you all enjoyed watching and learned some new species. During this last minute of the video, I want to show you a couple of localities we visited on our way back home to central Sweden. The first is a known locality for Primula nutans, a plant which in Sweden grows exclusively on the northernmost shores of the Baltic Sea.
So we are now on the shores of the Baltic Sea, just outside Luleå, and we have immediately found plenty of flowering Primula nutans. They are all over the shores. Small color variation from purple to white. And the leaves are down here. They are light green and oval. There's a lot of sterile plants. So I think the number of plants on this locality is up to maybe 50,000 plants or something. A bit further up on the beach, if we go to the forest edge, we have a lot of Cornus suecica.
The next locality was in the city Söderhamn, which is a known locality for an endangered polypore.
Perenniporia tenuis. Here's some old fruit buddies. And these are fresh.
The final locality was a sandy pine forest with a rare discomycete.